Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at some trending hairstyle ideas. First up, we have a hair color change to this really pretty ginger color. She does have the curtain bangs going here. Wow, this color is absolutely beautiful. And then we have another layered hairstyle. Now she does have the money piece highlights going here with the pops of blonde with the bangs, followed by another really pretty layered cut. Now this hairstyle is a little bit more everyday friendly versus the previous two styles. It's like your typical girl next door here. So for hairstyle number 4, we have a hair color transformation. Now she is doing something more bold with this one. The color kind of reminds me of like Neapolitan ice cream. Like she's got some pink going here, a bit of the icy blonde, the brown. I feel like this should be called the Neapolitan special. It's cute though. I'm just saying, that's what it reminds me of. And then she does have the bangs going there in the front. Just a nice, cute little unique style. 6-hour color transformation. So there is the before. Ooh, so she went like a beige blonde here. Bangs going there in the front. And then we have another haircut transformation. So it looks like the stylist is doing some layers here, kind of doing a bit of a cut refresh. I like how thick and full her bangs are. And I would say the hair color is a bit more of ash blonde. That's pretty. Her hair looks so full and volumized. Gorgeous. Definitely giving us that like 70s shaggy cut aesthetic. And then we have another hair color transformation. So it looks like she might be getting a color refresh here. Oh, and extensions. Wow, look at that platinum. Wow. Oh, super cute layered cuts. Look at the bangs. I love the overall shape and texture of this cut. Oh, this is super cute. So here we have our next one. She gets a color touch up here as well. gorgeous head full of platinum. Oh wow, so pretty. Now this hair color is definitely high maintenance, but it's worth it if you do like that kind of aesthetic. And then we have someone going from long to short with this bob. Very cute swoop bangs going here. Oh wow, look how much volume she has with her bob. Oh, so beautiful. Hair for days. And on this channel, we love a good volumized bob. I mean, that is just so cute. So if you guys have yet to do so, don't forget to hit that like button if you are enjoying all of today's gorgeous looks. I absolutely adore this one. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. This took me 2 days to do. So here's another very long hair color transformation. Wow, 2 days. This one also features icy platinum hair. Oh wow, so worth it. I just love this trend. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. And like I said, platinum is definitely a high maintenance color, but if this is your vibe and your aesthetic, I think it's definitely worth it to invest in yourself with that color. So as you guys know, blue hair is actually trending hard for 2025. I am seeing it all over the place. Here we have someone rocking out the blue with the blunt ends. And then we have the copper hair color trend. I wish I had a best friend that was a hairstylist. I'd be going to her all the time. So personally, I wouldn't quite call this copper. It almost looks like a strawberry blonde to me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Or like a very slight nod to the red family. Definitely not too bold. It's like a very slight nod to the copper trend. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna have some fun with color here. Peekaboo roots. I like it. Exposed root trend in the form of a bob. Very pretty. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all these gorgeous hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.